baby. Now we got rain. Holy shit. Yep, be raining now. Kind of a monsoon. Going to the cat park, see if there's any cats left alive. Oh shit. Oh. Should have brought the bigger umbrella. Holy hell. Oh yeah, that's a lot of fun. Why didn't I bring the other umbrella? Put 5 people under that turkey. There, just instantly almost quit raining. The strangest place, like Arizona. Probably get struck by lightning. Well, that'd be okay. And now it's just normal rain. Let's see. I don't see any big black boogers up there. I don't think it's gonna get any worse, but we'll see. It's funny when I see car headlights now. In the U.S., they're all white, period. Or the old ones have a yellowish tinge. But they're white, headlights are white, mandated by law. In Philippines, they're 99% white. In Thailand, they're about 60% white. Everybody in Thailand has this idea about what color they want their headlights to be, and I don't know if there's a law about it or not, but it's not enforced, whatever the hell it is. So everybody's got blue headlights or, red or whatever the hell they feel like. Oh man, oh it's coming up again. Oh, we're gonna get hammered. Holy shit. Yeah, it's coming from that direction now. Oh, holy hell. Yeah. See, my other umbrella is like theirs. Oh, I'm getting soaked. Holy shit. Let's just take a breather here and reassess this. Oh, jeez. Oh, yeah. Let up again. But I'm soaked anyway. Holy crap. Oh. We'll never find any cats in this. They're going to be deep underground. Holy shit. Oh. Okay, I gotta take a break here. I gotta switch this over to lower resolution. Okay, switched itself automatically under dark conditions. Wow, not bad. This is the Insta360. Oh hell, X4, which I kind of like, except for a few things. Insta360 X3 was crap. This one is usable. It's barely usable, but it's usable. Not good in low light. God, I see these people without an umbrella. They're effed. And it's only 4 o'clock, I think, in the afternoon. Oh yeah, baby. Good one. Okay, we ain't finding no cats. If they have any cat brains at all, they're long gone. They have secret hidey holes that I have not been able to find. I found a couple of them, but not very many. Oh, not a lot of people in the park. Okay. Alrighty. Hello, Michelle. Where's all my cat? They're hiding. Alright. Yeah, we're not gonna find any cats. Maybe not for the whole night. Okay. Oh yeah, big one. Go over and see if I can find my friend Jeevy. This is a rip snorter. Call this a gully washer. God, my umbrella's leaking. Oh, shit. I don't think I want to be out here, really tell you the truth. This is like 200 yards away. I think I need to get the hell out of here. Should have gone in that Faraday cage with Michelle. Holy shit, I'll be lucky to make it across the street here. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, baby, this is a big one. My umbrella's leaking like a sieve. I think it's time to retire it. Oh, hell. Yeah, I gotta go get some cover here. I'm about 50 yards from cover. Oh, shit. Oh, hell. Oh, hell. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Okay, oh. Oh. Umbrella's toasted. Oh, hell. Oh. Oh. Holy crap, hold it. Okay. Okay, in a good place here. Lightning didn't get me. Close though. I'm absolutely drenched. Absolutely. Completely freaking drenched. Oh. Oh, shit. Okay. It's covered over there. Oh! Oh, yeah. Nice umbrella. Oh, come on. Okay. Holy hell. Oh. Oh, yeah. Come on. Yeah. Umbrella's now officially toast. Now, yeah. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh. Shit. I'm going over here. Jesus. God dang it. Oh, there's a poor kitty. I think you can't even see him. No. Oh, it's okay. Said no humans cannot help me in this. Holy crap. Well. Oh, this umbrella. Yeah, umbrella's totally wet. Well, I was thinking about a new one anyway, so I've got a really good, strong, big one, but it didn't look like anything like this was going to happen, so... Holy shit. I'd like to make it across the street, but... I don't know if my umbrella will survive across the street. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh shit, my microphone gave up. Son of a bitch. I don't know if I'm going to record audio or not. shit. I don't know if the water got it or the light came back on, but I don't know if it's recording. Oh, hell. Oh, poor rhino's getting wet. Oh, jeez. Well, can I make it across? I think so. Not a lot of wind out there right now at this moment. What a light. Oh. The time between the lightning and the thunder is pretty much instantaneous, so. Death is near. I've had lightning strike within 10 to 20 feet of me 3 times in my life. And, waiting. Oh, yeah. Big one, big one. I want to get across there. I don't think. Oh, shit. Holy shit. That was nasty. Oh, God, dang it. Now, lightning went straight to this umbrella, right down in through my hand, into my heart. That would suck. I think it's a bad way to go. It's pretty quick, but I still think it's a bad way to go. I think you feel shit. I don't really care to feel shit. If I was on top of a building, I bet I could get some good slow-mo lightning shots. Where'd that kitty go? Oh, he's way over there. I bet he's scared. Is that him? I don't know. Go over and see. Is that a kitty or not? Yeah, no. That's him hiding over there, man. He wants in. Oh, sucking hell. Holy shit. Yeah, I'm not going across that street right now. I am absolutely just drenched. Umbrellas have their limitations. Oh, yeah. Oh! Oh! Gee. Yeah, this is a rip snorter. Actually, I have to say that one of my most fun activities is I used to ride motorcycles a lot. I mean, hundreds of thousands of miles, probably 240, 250,000 miles in my life. And one of the coolest experiences is you get really good motorcycle rain gear. So you are dry, and the drop does not get through it. And you got a really good helmet, and a good, perfectly sealed faceplate, good gloves, good footwear, everything, and you're dry and you're warm. And you just go cruising through these storms, and it's like your invincible little spaceship. Shit. And you feel just so comfortable and warm. If your stuff is really watertight, you can use an electric heated vest. And that's just delightful. Oh, shit. Holy shit. It's not going away. Usually it passes over. It's just hanging here for like the last 30 minutes. I'm determined to finish off my umbrella. Holy shit. There, that one was 1 or 2 seconds away. Keep going, keep going. Yeah. I I've had this umbrella in all these storms for 2 years, so I can't complain a whole lot. You know, it's like a $6 umbrella. I don't know what the brand is, but does it say? No, it doesn't say. And a pretty good cheapo disposable umbrella. We get rain here like 8 months out of the year, so I take it every single day, every day in my pocket. And if it has survived all that, then I got my $6 worth. It's a little bit cold now, being soaking wet. The wind is, let's see, seems like the wind has calmed down. I'm going to try an experimental foray into the wind. No, it's still blowing up there. Oh yeah, it's still blowing really good. No, ain't going out there. Nope. Ah, shit. Can I make it? Can I make it without drowning? Or without becoming a crispy critter? Let's try. I can go right to this point right here. Okay, let's try it. Oh, shit! That was a mistake. Oh, God damn it. Yeah, thank you, God, for that one. Oh. Okay. Oh. She okay? The lady, she okay? No. Not okay? Not okay. Aye. Make me sad. Make me sad. Sad. Yeah. Okay. Let's go see. The lady wants to talk. She can speak English. Are you okay? No? Okay. Didn't want to talk. We don't know if she's okay or not. The guard said no. Okay. Nothing more you can do. She's probably off the street somewhere and can't make it back to her hidey hole. Even if she could, it's going to be flooded out. So she's probably stuck here till late tonight. No money, no food. But she can accept, she can at least say hello. Aye. Maybe it's letting up a little bit. Oh, they're trying to control the flooding there. Holy crapola. Oh, yeah, it's moving away a little bit. Now it's just more normal rain. Let's see if I can cross over there. Labor here is very, very cheap. I mean, it's kind of pointless until the rain stops. Martin. He's hiding somewhere over on the other side. Usually when there's rain, especially like this, the district just musters them out and puts them to work all kinds of situations, checking windows and, excuse me, coordinating water removal and whatever. Another bridge to cross here. I don't know if I want to attempt this much distance or not. It's not that bad now. Yeah, they're going. I'll follow them. I hope that they're taller, and if the lightning strikes, it'll strike them first. Oh, this is really flooding here. Oh, shit. Okay. Yeah, we're going to get across. Okay. Thank you, thank you. Oh, big one. I'll go up to GV's area. All the restaurants are going to be full. All the cats are lounging. Oh yeah, there they are, the lazy bums. I'd like to go over to Market and get a new umbrella, but
that's his personality.
Hi. The wind is really swirling and unpredictable. Yeah, the microphone's still working. I don't know, I wonder if it was a lightning EMP that knocked it offline. Oh, that's flooded pretty good there. Yeah, I don't see GV, they got him busy somewhere. Okay. Get out of this stuff for a minute. I can go here. Yeah, okay, this is pretty well covered. Holy crapola. Oh, yeah. Lovely. Well, cats are all hiding. GV's hiding. I don't see much point in continuing on. I wonder if Market is jammed. This umbrella is not going to collapse. It's toast. It's all bent up inside. Now, if I was an Amazon customer, I'd just send it back for a refund. Say, 2 years, 100-mile-an-hour winds, and it malfunctioned. F you, I want a refund. There's a lot of uncovered area between here and Market. So if the rain's coming straight down, it's okay. Umbrella will knock off, 90% of it. But if it's if the wind is blowing, it just screams. Oh, shit! That was like on that building right there. Sucking hell! I thought it was going away. Oh hell! Cats are just terrified. I don't blame them. I want to go find some cats to comfort me. It's okay, Papa. We won't let nothing bad happen to you. We will protect you, Papa. Don't be a baby. sure you can't see it. Dark conditions, and too far away with this wide lens. Oh, there, that looked like Jeevy. Yeah, I think it was. Oh yeah, that's what he's doing. That's his mission. He's holding umbrellas for people who want to cross that little 10 yards of rain. Oh, there, I'm going to go right here. Yeah, no more wind. There's Jeevy. Jeevy is a natural for this. He's very gregarious, he's very helpful, he's very polite, he likes people.
What are you doing?
I don't know. Not raining when I go. When I go out the condo, it's not raining. So I don't.
Right. Oh, how about your suit?
Oh, I know. I wet
Sticking
everything.
from my
Yeah.
shoes.
Yeah. I think finish soon. But very big storm. You don't carry my umbrella.
Yeah, I borrowed the other side.
Only for the ladies. Oh, this is a pretty good little spot here. It's pretty dry, yeah. Let's see. Yeah, it's not bad. This is BGC, of course, and it's High Street, which is the center of the. It's kind of the center. It's the second center of the bourgeois little area of almost all of Philippines. The only place that is more bourgeois is Forbes Park, or Forbes, another name for it, Forbes, what do they call it? Forbes City? Something, Forbes Park, anyway. That's about half a mile from here. And that's more upscale, but they don't have a shopping center like this. So the clientele here is 99.7% upper class Filipinos. Hardly any white people here. I can go days and not see one. But
The light is very,
the what?
yeah, you can see the light.
Oh.
Okay, that's why.
Oh yeah,
It's,
yeah.
saying this.
Well, you must go fix them.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, you get the ladder and you go up the tree and you fix a wire
Yeah,
and you
yeah.
hope the lightning not come.
Oh yeah, really. So very cold.
Oh yeah, cold. Yeah, very
Oh,
cold.
where have you been?
Huh?
Where have you been?
Oh, I work on computer for one day.
But I know it's okay because you've been already different.
Yeah, that's okay. But now my umbrella no good, so I think finish soon. Only normal rain.
Yeah, so this is already a normal way because
Yeah, that's not bad.
very good.
As before. Oh. But Thailand have more rain. A lot.
See, it's dark and the strong rain.
Yeah. Really dark for a while.
Different.
You want to go?
Sometimes I've been already using the umbrella so that the man or the guest they've been already giving a gift.
Tip? Oh wow! How much they give?
I don't know.
500 peso?
50 pesos.
No, that's okay.
100 pesos.
I can do it for 50 peso. Yeah, I can.
To me. Oh, just using the
Oh,
umbrella.
okay. When I see the people I go, I want. I go look for the cat that they are hiding.
Oh, yeah. The cats not already go outside. Then sa taas, guys. Punta ka. The motor lately because the strong rain.
Yeah, I know everywhere. Every place has flooding. Yeah. Yeah, not so bad now. I have a good umbrella, but I don't bring it because I don't think it have rain. It's okay, but I have really good one, really big. Oh no. Oh, now my lens. Oh, yeah. The rain has fogged everything up on my lens here. So. And it's hard to dry. Hard to get it dry. Really hard to get it dry. Yeah, it's okay. Not bad.